The Gospel of the Network. Why every professional must learn blockchain. Now, in every great epoch, there emerges a defining technology, a revelation, that rewrites the code of civilization. In the 19th century, it was the steam engine. In the 20th, the transistor. And in the 21st century, it is the blockchain. Not a passing trend, not a fleeting innovation. Blockchain is the new architecture of truth, a cryptographic cornerstone of a civilization yearning for integrity, transparency, and justice. If you are a professional, a leader, a builder of tomorrow's world, and not yet fluent in the language of decentralization, you're drifting toward obsolescence on a raft made of legacy assumptions. But there is good news. You do not have to be left behind. You can still become fluent in this emergent grammar of trust, the lingua franca of the future economy. An Actuate Academy is your school of profits. Basic level. Introduction to Blockchain and Decentralized Finance, $250. 8 weeks to transcend digital ignorance. This course is not just an introduction. It is an awakening. Here you grasp what most only glimpse. You will touch the living pulse of the blockchain, discover the essence of decentralization, and finally understand why cryptographic truth is more trustworthy than institutional decree. In a world drowning in disinformation, blockchain offers verifiable proof. It is the antidote to opacity and manipulation. You will leave this course with hands-on fluency, wallets, smart contracts, decentralized tools, and the confidence to navigate a rapidly transforming landscape. A beginner? Perfect. No prior experience is necessary. Only curiosity and the courage to think differently. Enroll now. Your learning is your liberation. Intermediate level. Smart contracts for health and scientific knowledge systems. $550. 8 weeks to code justice into reality. In this course, you do not simply learn smart contracts. You craft instruments of moral consequence. Contracts that reward maternal health, incentivize ethical science, and bypass the bureaucracies that have long stifled innovation in healthcare and academia. Why does this matter? Because the old systems, insurance, publishing, global health governance, are broken. Blockchain offers not just repair, but reformation. A new economy of ethics embedded in code. If you're a health worker, a researcher, a policymaker, this course is your forge. Learn not just to code, but to code with conviction. Enroll now. Build systems that reward what matters most. Advanced Level 1 Blockchain Engineering and Web3 Innovation, $2,500. 10 weeks inside the cathedral of digital civilization. This is not a course. It is an initiation. You will master the arcane mechanics of consensus algorithms, cryptography, tokenomics, and cross-chain interoperability. You will emerge not as a student, but as an architect, equipped to build decentralized applications that power an internet free of feudal lords. The centralized web, with its titans and toll booths, is cracking under the weight of its own greed. The Web3 frontier needs engineers who can create new structures of sovereignty, new markets of mutual respect. This is not for the faint of heart. It is for those who would rather build the future than be victims of it. Enroll now. Create the platforms of a freer world. Advanced Level 2 Tokenization of biomedical, scientific, and healthcare real-world assets, $2,500. 10 weeks to transmute care into capital. Here, you learn to digitize the sacred. Hospitals, health records, research itself. Tokenization is not speculation. It is the miracle of visibility. A way to turn neglected infrastructure into investable assets. A path to make health equity measurable, auditable, scalable. In a world where science is buried behind paywalls and healthcare is rationed by corruption, blockchain offers a rebellion of precision and accountability. You will gain legal frameworks, asset structures, and the tools to unleash finance into the forgotten corners of global medicine. Enroll now. Bridge biology and blockchain. Why you must learn blockchain now. Every profession, from medicine to media, is being rewired by this underlying protocol of trust. Blockchain is not just for crypto startups. It is for the doctor in Nairobi designing smarter maternal systems. It is for the policy strategist in DC trying to reduce fraud. It is for the engineer in Lagos building applications that make prosperity programmable. To ignore this technology is to operate with yesterday's tools in tomorrow's world. To learn it is to shape that world. Actuate Academy does not merely certify you. It enlists you into a movement. A global vanguard of decentralized science, economic justice, and sovereign identity. This is more than education. It is revelation. It is reformation. It is your call to actuate, to move, to change, to rise. Visit us at www.actuate.bio. Contact us at info@actuate.bio. The future belongs to those who understand networks. Enroll now. Shape justice. Encode truth. Join the blockchain reformation.